Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL Tab 10L Generation D2, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open the settings, then select System and go to Languages and Input. Now click on Virtual Keyboard, select Gboard, go to Languages and tap on Add Keyboard. Select the one that you want to apply. Tap on Done. Now you can remove unnecessary languages. So let me remove those. And then you can smoothly use both languages, or you can use one language only, smoothly remove unnecessary one, and then enjoy writing in your own language. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.